Do I look gorgeous, Denise?
So great.
Good. You guys, we've been learning to multiply single digits, like 9 times 2 and 3 times 7. Today we're going to learn to multiply our tens. So, we know 2 times 4 is
8.
Yep. Sorry. See, this is why you don't ever ask the whole group an answer, because they'll always say something and it might not be what you want. What's the meaning of 2 times 4? How would I explain what 2 times 4 means in words? I'm going to call in one person. Denise?
2 groups of 4.
2 groups of 4, right. So I would do, there are my 2 rows with 4 in each, right? All right, ready? Now we're going to do 2 times 40. What is 2 times 40 going to mean in words, Jen?
2 groups of 40 each.
Right. So, I still need my 2 rows with 40, but instead of using these little singles, now I'm going to use tens rods. I know. Now notice, really, up here I had 2 times 4, right? Really, here I have 2 times 4. It's just now it's 4t. So when I let's see what we get, by the way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It's like 8t. 8 with a 0. So, oops, wait, nope. So, my little smart cut is I can do 2 times 4 is 8, and then just put the 0 on at the end. All right. Renee's excited about this. By the way, so this is the same as 2 times 4 times 10. You'll write it underneath. By the way, geniuses, what property are we using? No.
Associative.
The distributive property is when we pass out multiplication against addition or subtraction.
Associative?
Associative property. The associative property is where we learned we can multiply in any order and take our factors apart. I want you to notice how I followed up on her misconception. Quickly, short, corrected, right? And then just went on. All right, so anyway, it's the associative property, so just write it underneath. We're not spending time today teaching the associative property, but there it is. And so then, you guys, you're just going to go through. Don't draw any more arrays. That'll take you all day long.
Yep.
How could I rewrite this? Actually, 9 times 8 times 10. Great. 9 times 8 is 72. Put on the 0, 720. Now, do one more. This one's fun because 6 times 5 is, 6 times 5 is 30 and there's an extra 0. So what is the trick for multiplying multiples of 10? You just are having someone practice telling you what you just taught them. And then you're going to notice there are so many slides. What did we say about if there's so many slides in a row?
Rapid fire.
Super fast.
Right. These are like cold calling. And then they're going to go and practice. Their practice is all going to be mixed practice. Because we talked about that already, right? Okay, will you stop that, Denise?